What's happening, good people? Check it out. I just got a special delivery in. Man, from the Entrepreneurial Gear Life. Man, and gonna see what's to it. How y'all doing today? All positivity. Oh man. Uh-oh. Oh, y'all see it? Oh, mindset, baby. This is dope. I can, I will, I must. Oh, my head big, so I got to snap it out. Oh, man, shout out to the homie Tom Skinner. Make sure y'all get up with the entrepreneur gear, man. They dope, man. Look. Get your mind right, man. Change that mindset. Voice positivity, your boy Larry Hott. I'm out.